Hꯧjik Story magi maikaidagi akanaba employment news khara pathokjari. Ahanbada Thangtex Global Infra Private Limited address na Gari Awang Laikai Imphal Manipur opposite Vespa showroom. Urgent requirement ni name of post na MN executive ta number of post ama payment candidate ni qualification any graduation experience fresher experience with computer skill is preferable. She should be able to speak in Hindi or English. Salary based in the market. Anisubadana in shop demonstrator number of post 1 payment candidate in qualification any graduation experience fresher experience or retail sale. Salary based in the market. Home subadana service manager number of post 1 male candidate qualification B degree or diploma in electronics experience hand-on experience in electronic requirement and electrical work also should be good management skill and should be able to speak in Hindi or English. Minimum 6 to 8 years experience in the above mentioned area. Based in the market salary na aduga aroibadana service executive number of post 1 male candidate qualification BE degree or diploma in electronics experience hand-on experience in electronic equipment and electrical work also should be good management skill and should be able to speak in Hindi and English. Minimum in 2 or 3 years experience in the above mentioned area. Salary based in the market. Send your resume or CV puspa.thangtet@gmail.com or mahesh@thangtet@gmail.com. Call us at 8974089257 or 690901561. Call duration office hour only 10 am to 6 pm. Interview date 1st May 2026 to 9 May 2026. Please call 8974089727 or 8974089257 or 690901561. Houzik Sainik School Imphal Manipur PO Pangai Yangdong Imphal East 795114. Recruitment notice khara thokjari. Number of post electrician cum pump operator. Name number of post type of post 1 regular as on 1 May 2026 to 18 to 15 year. Reservation category UR. Ani subadana general employee number of post general employee number of post type of post 9 regular as 18 to 50 year. Reservation 5 UR 2 OBC 1 SC 1 ST. Salary level 1 rupees 18,000. For detailed notification including essential qualification, reservation criteria, salary and application form with scheduled website https://Imphal Nick. The last date of receipt of application in 21 days from the date of application in the at the advertisement. The school administrator reserves the right to cancel the vacancy due to administrative policy season. Houzik Hindi graduation amasung Hindi primary oza kharasu kaujari madudi online Hindi graduation or Hindi primary coaching class started from 5 May 2026. Class timing 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Hindi graduation teacher and Hindi primary teacher coaching 2026 Manipur government recruitment. Class started today 4 May 2026. Duration 35 days. Incentive coaching. Class timing 5:03 p.m. to 6:03 p.m. Mob online available. Free 2000 only. Only one seat left. Book now. Location New Second near traffic point. Contact number 60099666762 or 9811995390. Hojik makha taba employment news khara mathang pathokjari. We are hearing join our team looking for a vacancy. This is your chance to start and grow your career with us. Position sales department, role customer service or data entry. Eligibility 10 pass to any degree. Experience fresher and the experience both can apply. Gender male and female. Monthly salary 15,000 to 23,000 per month. Location Kamrup district, Guwahati, Assam. Friendly and promotional work environment, skill development and career growth. Immediately joining opportunity. Contact now at 471882527. Only serious candidates should apply. Now contact number at 471882527. And another job news in story collection. Shutter speed photography hearing Simairong Imphal. Number 1 the marketing manager qualification MBA or PGDM with specialization in marketing or equivalent degree. Requirement 2-year experience in marketing. Vacancy 1. Number 2 the marketing executive qualification any graduation familiar in marketing. Requirement 0 to 1 year experience. 2-wheeler compulsory. Vacancy 3. And another 3 receptionist plus telecaller qualification 12 pass plus ability in handle call. Requirement female only. Vacancy 2. And last number 4 office helper. Requirement male or female. Vacancy 1. Apply send CV to shutter speed photography to @gmail.com or call at 787785323. Thank you all.